In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create URL redirects in Wix. If you've ever changed a page URL on your website, removed an old page, or wanted to send visitors from one link to another, setting up a redirect is a simple and important step. A URL redirect helps make sure people who visit an older link are automatically sent to the correct page instead of landing on an error page. It's also useful for keeping your site organized and improving the experience for both visitors and search engines. To get started, log into your Wix account. Once you are signed in, open the dashboard for the website where you want to create the redirect. Make sure you are in the correct site dashboard before continuing, especially if you manage more than one website in Wix. From the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Click on Marketing and then select SEO and GEO tools. This area includes settings that help manage how your website appears and performs online. And that's where the redirect tools are located. After that, scroll down until you see the section called Tools and Settings. In that section, click URL Redirect Manager. This is the page where you can create and manage redirects for your site. Now click the New Redirect button in the top right corner. Wix will give you a choice between creating a single redirect or a group redirect. A single redirect is best when you only need to send one old URL to one new URL. A group redirect is useful if you need to redirect multiple URLs at once, which can save time if you are reorganizing several pages. Next, enter the old URL path and the new URL path. The old URL path is only the part of the link that comes after your domain name. And the same goes for the new URL path. For example, you are entering the page path itself, not the full website address. Be careful to type both paths correctly, because even a small mistake can send visitors to the wrong place or prevent the redirect from working. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Wix will then store the redirect and apply it to your website. It's a good idea to double-check your entry before saving so you can avoid errors and make sure traffic goes exactly where you want it to. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.